Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
It is not a fraud. It is a technical error. Letter inverted is inverted. It may have two numbers. It is a mistake. We are all humans. We make mistakes. How can the chairman be responsible for it? सरकारान चिंतचे पडटले सारखे लोकायुक्त अपॉइंट करता म्हणजे दे हॅव टू बी साऊंड. आता ते रोडाक जो तर कोण हायकोर्टान वयता आनी हायकोर्टान जो तर केस डिस्पोज करता ते लोक मागीर लोकायुक्तान वयता आनी लोकायुक्त आमकां सांगता नॉट फिट टू बी मिनिस्टर. जो तर आमी इलेक्टेड representative आर नॉट गोइंग टू गिव गुड रोड्स टू द जनरल पब्लिक. दीस लोकायुक्त डजंट नो बिकॉज ही सिट्स इन द ऑफिस अँड कोणाचे तरी कंप्लेन घेता आनी तो कितें ऑर्डरी पास करता आनी सांगता आय एम रेकमेंडिंग दीस टू द चीफ मिनिस्टर. हू इज ही टू रेकमेंड अबाउट मी वेदर आय एम फिट ऑर अनफिट? दॅट इज चीफ मिनिस्टर्स प्रोगेटिव्ह टू गिव एक्सटेन्शन ऑर टू अपॉइंट न्यू लोकायुक्त, नॉट आवर्स. दिना म्हणून त्याचे मिनिस्टराचेर तूं दीत रावतलो ऑर्डरी. कंप्लेन जी कंप्लेनंटान केल्ली ही वेगळीच आहा आनी findings of Lokayukta is something else only. I was PDA chairman then. Today I am minister, and his finding is totally off the record. And Lokayukta, for various reasons known to him, has passed these orders, which I do not agree, and I am filing my report to the Honorable Chief Minister, where I am 100% confident he will set it aside.
I wish to tell Mr. Lobo, Lokayukta is an anti-corruption ombudsman under the Union Government framework and the Indian law. So taka je powers asa, he has got a right to investigate into all corruption cases, all graft cases, and after his findings on these reports, based on the complaints filed by him, on the complaints filed by the complainant, Mr. Misra has come to a conclusion he is not fit to be a minister in Dr. Saud's cabinet.